Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use USDC on Coinbase Wallet. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, fund it with USDC, and confirm the network and balance. Next, learn how to send, swap, and connect to dApps while keeping gas costs in mind. I will demonstrate simple step-by-step actions, safety checks, and common pitfalls so you can manage USDC confidently and avoid avoidable mistakes on-chain. To send USDC, open your wallet and select Send, then choose USDC as the token. Paste the recipient address carefully, double-check the address characters, and always preview the gas fee before confirmation. Consider sending a small test amount first to confirm delivery. I will walk through a sample send, show how to track the transaction, and highlight what to do if a transfer is delayed or needs canceling on the network. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long coding or trading sessions. I wear them during marathon crypto work and they make a surprising difference. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Swapping USDC is simple using the wallet swap feature. Check price impact and slippage before confirming. When connecting to dApps, approve only trusted sites and review connection scopes. Manage token allowances carefully and revoke permissions you no longer need to reduce risk. I will show a swap demo, connecting to a lending app, and explain how to confirm receipts and monitor approvals so your USDC stays safe while you explore DeFi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.